Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a long time, forever. You guys have been telling me, and today I'm gonna be removing or replacing the trunk from the is300 and replacing it with the black one, Altezza. Got it from Import Unlimited. I've had it for a while there, and so I decided, you know what, I'm gonna use it since I took the lip from the is300 out. You have all these holes you have to deal with, and so it just be a lot more difficult, and especially, oh, this one's for the light. The OEM spoiler lips, they do have a light for the brake, so when you take it out, you have this huge hole, and of course it could be covered up, and the best way to do it is to get a sheet of metal, a sheet like this. This would be cut a few inches, so maybe half of this. It would be extended from here all the way across, but that's just a lot more time consuming and a lot more work. So screw it, I got the trunk, I'm just gonna replace the trunk. Those two holes are not part of the lip, that's different. Everything else is. And so I could also get another lip if I could find one. Maybe Josue could find one. And then if I could find a blue one, that'll be awesome, because I could just post it on the store or eBay store. That would also make things a lot easier too. So instead of putting like a duckbill spoiler, I don't know. I might keep it, I might sell it. But I'm gonna replace it, and then we'll see how it looks. And just pry it like that. That way it comes out just like that. And then these are rivets, so you kind of really just have to pull on it. All right, same thing with here, and just pop it up. Hopefully they don't break so you could use them again, but I don't think you can. Oh damn, they're basically pop rivets, so yeah, can't really be used. Yeah, I would have to put some new ones on there because, oh yeah, see? As they go in, they compress the back, so it's hard to take them out. They basically break when you pop them out, actually. See that? They just break apart, so they're useless. Same thing with the other side. I already broke these loose already, so it's that easy. We have more parts for Import Limited now. Okay, there it is. Now it won't come out this way, so the only way to do it, you have to tuck in the cable all the way, which is kind of hard to show you guys. Got it. After about a few minutes, guys, this is what you want, because you have to tuck it out of here, because we're going to use this cable. Just pry them with needle nose pliers, and they pop out fairly easy. So all I have to do is just tuck everything back inside from here, just like that, carefully. And that is our complete harness. There it is for the lights of the trunk, guys. There you have it. There it is. So I'm taking out this old harness again because it's been cut, and I'm gonna use mine. So it's as simple as disconnecting the sensors and then, you know, breaking out those tabs. So now I have extra sensors in case one of them break for whatever reason. There you go, it works. Eventually I'm gonna have to Gotta sand this with a light, maybe 2000, 3000 sandpaper, and take out the clear coat. I'm gonna have to paint it too. But man, it looks good. Yeah, I like it. There it is. So, if your Altezza or Japanese trunk ever comes with this, I have no idea why they did it. Some aftermarket spoiler, I guess. And that's how you do them. You drill them out, these rivets. You drill them out and you just break them loose. This is how it would look. Not bad at all. But the only problem is the holes. Only 2 of these holes match up from those sides, so I still have to drill another holes. And the problem is that these holes don't drill all the way from the outside. So with this style of trunk, I would have to put the long bolts and then just bolt it in from the inside like my old trunk. You see how they would have these 2 holes here? I could screw them on. That's the only way to do it in order to keep that spoiler on there. So just like that, I will have to basically copy the same way on this one if I want to keep this spoiler on there. But I don't know, guys. Let me know if I should keep it or if I just leave it clean. If you do want to keep the key in order to work with the original key, you are going to have to switch out this part right here, which is not too difficult. All it is I think it's like 2 8mm. If you could see them, just 2 8mm. This pops up right there. This should go with it, and I mean that's pretty easy to do. But I still have my, you know, electronic door opener, and I also could open it from the inside. And then the other thing you have to do, this child lock, you could you know, it's fairly easy to replace this on there if you want it, but I mean you don't have to. For our license plate in the US, it's not going to fit. See how it only fits one of the holes, and it doesn't fit on this side because it's too wide from Japan. So the only thing to do is just drill a hole right there on your license plate, or yeah, that's probably the only thing to do. But I mean, that's about it for this video, guys. Tell me if you guys like it without the spoiler, or tell me if you guys like it with the black trunk. I'm gonna take it to the better lighting so you guys can see it. So I have it holding out with tape just to see if I like it. Josue likes it with the spoiler on, and I don't know, for some reason I like it without it. What do you guys think? Let me know.
2, 1, action.